Hi, my name is Sarah Willis. Today is September the 12th, 2020, and today I'm going to talk about hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a disorder that affects the thyroid gland, which is located in the cervical region and produces thyroid hormone, which is responsible for growth and for sexual reproduction. It regulates hormones. The thyroid hypothyroidism can happen because of many different reasons. One of them is pregnancy, another one is iodine deficiency. Also, it can happen because of some autoimmune disorder like Hashimoto's. Hashimoto's is a disorder that causes the thyroid to be underactive, which can lead to myxedema at the end of it when it's completely destroyed. There are treatments for it. One of it is hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy means getting a hormone, thyroid hormone, in form of a pill or injections. Another way to control this is radiation or thyroidectomy or partial lobectomy of the thyroid gland. The thyroid hormone travels through the circulatory system throughout our bodies and supplies where supplies the organs that need the thyroid. The pituitary gland actually regulates all this, and sometimes if there is a disorder on the pituitary gland can affect the thyroid and the production of thyroid hormone. So the hypothyroidism is not enough production of thyroid hormone. So that will be it from me for hypothyroidism, and thank you so much.